Here's 2 more bonus tips for you to improve your speaking voice. Read a lot and write a lot. I already talked about reading out loud, but for this bonus tip, you could even mentally read. Why is reading so important? Why is it that people who read a lot begin to develop superpowers? It's because of the linguistics formula. With hard skills, a few of the most important acronyms are STEM: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. For linguistics, the most important letters are RLSW: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. You want to know something? All 4 of these are interlinked. If you're working on one, ironically, you're improving another one of these acronyms. So by reading a lot, you start to help your mind process words in a completely different way. You start to improve the signal, which is the meaningful message. You begin to reduce the noise. From there, it helps you out tremendously to speak in a congruent manner. Another thing to do is write a lot. You could write through Twitter. You can create a journal. You can begin blogging. However you want to do it, once again, you're practicing externalization and you start to improve the signal of your mind and you start to reduce the noise. Through this, it allows you to effortlessly speak in a congruent way that showcases the power of your voice.